Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can activate the dark mode on your Motorola Razr. For that you want to go to your settings and go to display and then go to appearance and dark theme. You can just turn it on and then as you can see the screen will turn black, but you can also click on it and then say schedule. So you now have the option between turns on at a custom time or turns on from sunset to sunrise. If we click on that, then you will have to have your location on as well on your phone, because otherwise it's pretty hard for the phone to know when there is sunrise and sunset where you are. But we can also say turn on at a custom time. And then we can set a time for it to start. So let's say at 8 in the afternoon it will start and it will end at 8 in the morning when we, I don't know, get up again. And then, well, tonight at 8 the dark mode will appear, and then tomorrow at 8 in the morning the light mode will appear again. But you can also just say use the dark theme and then it's on. You have a little information here. So dark theme uses a black background to help keep battery alive longer on some screens. Dark theme scheduled to begin when your screen is off. Another little side note, some apps don't support the dark mode, so you might be confused, like when you use an app then it's in the light mode. That just is because this app doesn't support the dark mode, but it doesn't mean that your phone is not set in the dark mode. So that's just on the side. But that in general is how you can use the dark theme on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.